In this video, we'll show you how to install a LugGuard 700 series safe lock and keypad. Prior to connecting a safe lock to a keypad, the keypad must be installed on the exterior of the safe door. Follow these steps to properly install a keypad to the safe door. Drill and tap the holes into the outside of the safe wall using the provided drill and tap template. Afterward, deburr the middle hole. If you're installing a deadbolt or spring bolt lock, insert the blue tabs to the back plate. With the arrow symbols on the keypad base plate pointing up, attach it to the safe door using the screws provided. Run the safe lock cable through the opening in the safe door. Place the keypad over the opening in the grooves of the base plate and rotate it 25 degrees to the vertical position. Insert the spindle from the inside of the safe door. Measure 0.35 inches or 9 millimeters past the edge of the safe door and mark the spindle with a pen or marker. Remove the spindle and cut it to the appropriate length. Insert the cut spindle through the back of the safe door to complete the installation. If you're installing a swing bolt lock, insert the orange tabs to the back plate. With the arrow symbols on the keypad base plate pointing up, attach it to the safe door using the screws provided. Run the safe lock cable through the opening in the safe door. Place the keypad over the opening in the channel of the base plate and rotate 25 degrees to the vertical position. Do not install batteries at this time. Follow these steps to properly install a safe lock to the interior of a safe door. If you're installing a deadbolt or spring bolt, drill and tap the 4 holes on the inside of the safe door using the provided tap template. With the keypad installed, make sure to place the cable clamp over the spindle. Install the safe lock with the bolt extended, placing it flushed to the installing surface. Attach the safe lock using the appropriate screws provided. If you're installing a swing bolt, drill and tap the holes on the inside of the safe door using the provided tap template. With the cable nestled in the trench of the lock body so it's not pinched, attach the safe lock assembly to the safe door using the appropriate screws provided. Tighten the screws to a torque setting of 30 inch-pounds. Once the keypad and lock are physically installed on the safe container, follow these steps to connect a safe lock to a keypad. For single lock systems, connect the cable from the keypad into the ENT port. Be careful not to pull hard on the entry cable. At this time, install 2 9-volt batteries. If a battery box, alarm box, or AC power adapter is being used, plug the cable from any of those accessories into the safe lock bat port. Follow the on-screen prompts for display entries or consult the keypad installation guide for non-display entries to enter the lock settings and initialization. For multi-lock systems, connect the cable from the keypad to the bat port on the multiplexer. Connect the first safe lock, known as lock number 1, to the system from the ENT port to the number 1 input on the multiplexer. From lock number 1, connect from the bat port to a power supply, which will be either the AC adapter into a wall receptacle or to the bat port of a battery box. Repeat these steps for each safe lock. Entries with display screens will display prompts to continue, while non-display entries require entering commands using the pound button. Consult the system user guide for more information. This concludes the installation process of a LugGuard 700 series safe lock and keypad. For customer service, contact Dormakaba.